stayed with Regal Fabric here. We're in the Boston area, and today we're going to be talking about this customer's rug of ours, which is a needlepoint woven rug. It's made of wool. It does have a cotton background to it, and there's a couple of issues we have with this rug that we have discussed with the customer, and we haven't actually done anything to the rug yet other than just an evaluation. Primarily, you can see, if you look through the video, you can see how out of square it is. When a rug like this is not a perfect rectangle, we refer to that as being out of square. This rug has never been cleaned. It's 19 years old, and it was bought like this, which is very unusual to be out of square this much. But we're going to try with our washing to correct that problem. What happens is, the way you do this is to wet wash it, wet clean it thoroughly like you would any rug, dry it upside down, but tack it out on a wooden floor in a square pattern to hopefully convince the rug it wants to be square. It's a systemic issue with these rugs. It's part of the rug. Every time it gets washed, it will have to be tacked out like that. And it's because these are loomed or created on a loom on a bias, which means the loom itself is not actually 100% rectangular or square. The second issue we have with this rug is some dye bleeding. We always test rugs in advance of cleaning to make sure the dyes are stable. In this rug, especially these dark blue, which almost look black, and then the reds. We did an overnight test on this, and you can see, I pull this back, you can see the colors right there. This blue and this red has bled. Now, most likely, it won't bleed throughout the rug, and if it does, we'll probably be able to correct it all. But again, we did make the client aware that bleeding is a potential here. So if you have any questions, please leave your comments below. We'll get to them just as soon as we can. If you want to see more videos like this about the do's and don'ts of washing just about anything soft furnishing, hit the subscribe button. Again, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.